Hey YouTubers, Mike Bortz with the Mike Bortz channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're talking water heaters and we're going to show you how simple it is to figure out how old your unit is. Let's get started. All right, YouTubers, downstairs in the utility room, and we have an A.O. Smith Pro Max 50-gallon water heater, as you can see here. And if yours looks like this, we are going to show you how you can figure out how old your water heater is. And anytime you get close to a water heater, you need to read the safety instructions. Become familiar with the safety information on this sticker. However, in this video again, we want to show you how you can pinpoint the date or age of your water heater. You can see a build date of 06/28/2004. That means June 28th, 2004. And it is made in Mexico. And you can see additional features of your water heater. And in our case, the capacity, again, this is a 50-gallon natural gas type water heater. So as you can see, it just takes a few seconds to pinpoint your sticker that has all your valuable information and features. Below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be awesome. Thanks again for watching, YouTubers.